Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. The South African Football Association and Adidas have unveiled the new Bafana Bafana and Banyana Banyana kit for the 2026-27 campaign. The German sports manufacturer has taken over from Le Coq Sportif and finally unveiled the much anticipated new home strip, which draws inspiration from the 2010 jersey. Here is a statement from Adidas. It says, "Today, Adidas, in collaboration with the South African Football Association (SAFA), proudly revealed the new 2026-2027 home jersey for both Bafana Bafana and Banyana Banyana, a bold evolution of an iconic design that captures the spirit of South African football. Drawing inspiration from the unforgettable 2010 jersey, a symbol of pride during a defining moment for South African football. The new design honors that legacy while stepping into a new era. The 2026-2027 home jersey retains the unmistakable yellow base with green trim, a color palette synonymous with the national pride. Elevated detailing and refined construction modernized the silhouette, delivering a performance-driven jersey built for the demand of today's global game. Most notably, the updated design pays tribute to the South Africa's 12th official language, a powerful reflection of the national diversity, unity, and shared love for football. The subtle graphic element worn on the fabric symbolize the many voices that rise together in stadiums across the country and around the world. And Tom Brown, the senior marketing director for Adidas South Africa, says, "The iconic Adidas SAFA jersey of 2010 World Cup had a distinctive reference to the diverse national languages of South Africa, represented by 11 small lines in the collar. This design is reimagined for a proud new era with the design pattern which proudly reflects the now 12 national languages of the national jersey." That's what he said. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this jersey? Are you impressed with the new Adidas jersey, and do you think that it's better than the Le Coq Sportif that Bafana Bafana used to wear? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.